birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, baby. Happy birthday. You, how old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Boo, how old are you now? Happy birthday, Boo Boo. Where is my birthday gift? Because on your own birthday, I always buy you birthday gifts. Now it's my turn. Where is my birthday gift? You're asking me for a gift. On your birthday, you're asking me for a gift when you are supposed to give me a gift. Oh my God. CPI, let you know something right now. You are not the only one doing birthday today. Yes. Get that on your empty score. You aren't the only one doing your birthday today. Yes. Pretty Favor Designs is doing her birthday today. Yeah, if you don't appreciate, do you know what the time and effort it took me from there to walk down here singing a song for you, and you're asking me for a birthday gift? Cynthia, are you okay? Are you okay? Huh? Okay, no problem. You aren't the only one doing your birthday today. Pretty Favor Designs is doing her birthday today. Because not only you. So if you don't appreciate my birthday song, let me sing it for Pretty Favor Designs. Happy birthday to you, baby boo. Happy birthday to you, boo boo. Happy birthday to you, boo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pretty Favor Designs. I wish you many more years ahead of you. More designs on your head, because you don't have a score. You have brilliant hair. Unlike idiots like this that are thinking that they have head. Continue. Baby boo, I'm coming to flex. I'm coming for your birthday party. Because some people don't even have a birthday. They're not even planning for a birthday party. They just slide down here. They just slide down here like a dead rat. Full time. Boo boo boo, I'm coming for your birthday party. Take care of yourself. I'm coming, boo. Thanks. Aww. You waka come. Come on. You're too strong.